Hey and welcome to Alt One. I have now decided I'm going to start to give Forex signals live also. I have been trading now live binary option for 2 years and I have built account from $100 up to almost 90,000 and also on another broker from $100 up to 50,000. Now I'm going to start to do the same with Forex also. So the way you can do it, if you want to see my screen, see how I explain things and all this good stuff, well, just join my Alpha 1 signals. You find it below. It's one link tree. You find all the links there, by the way. So just go there and you can join. Or if you just want to join my Telegram channel, it's also an option for you. You will then get my signals for binary option, and you will also at the same time receive signals for Forex. Because how I will do this? In my live sessions where I typically trade binary option, I will trade Forex also. So you can follow both of them, okay? So I will give signals. Maybe I'll start, sometimes I'll start the live session with Forex, and then after I will start to trade binary option. This we figure out, but there will be 50-50 more or less with Forex and binary option. But if you want to, you can just join my Telegram channel. It's completely free, by the way. There I will post my signals for binary option and I will post my signals for Forex. But if you want to see the screen, see how I do the things, explain why I take the trades and all this good stuff, so you actually can learn, then choose to join my live session. It's also free, by the way. The only thing I want you to do to join my live session is then to either, for example, join the binary option broker, make a deposit, or if you're into Forex, then just join the broker that I have decided to use there. I found one broker that works worldwide and is good and is trusted. I've been for many years. That was the criterion I wanted. Is by the way Hugo Ways, you see it up there. But if you don't want, if you just have a Forex broker from before, you don't want to change, you're free to do so, then just join my Telegram channel. But if you want to see me live, you need to use this broker you see up there. Okay? So, I hope I see you in my next live session, or at least join me here in Telegram and you can just follow for free there also. Have an amazing day.